I'm Felicia Turrentine Wasson, a 1993 graduate of the College of Social Science. I majored in political science, sociology, and psychology. I had a high school counselor tell me, don't bother applying to Michigan State. I don't think you'll get in. I had parents, thank goodness, who wouldn't take no for an answer. And I had a will to come, and Spartan's will really is me. And so to come back on campus and say, I did it. Not only did I come to Michigan State, I finished, I graduated, I went on to graduate school and got another degree, and have had a great career. So when I come on campus, it's my story. Michigan State is where the story of Felicia Turrentine begins. And so this place will always, always have a very, very special place in my heart. And I think if you follow your personal passions, which I was able to develop at Michigan State here in the College of Social Science, you'll end up with a great career. I'm a lobbyist by trade, and I got that start at Michigan State and ventured into some other organizations, did community organizing, and ended up now with a career that's more broad in public affairs and communications that draws on all of that experience that I gained over the years, both through my professional career and at Michigan State. And so now I'm the Director of Stakeholder and Community Relations for Coca-Cola North America. Anything is possible, especially when you're surrounded by people who will encourage you once you get here. The network that is Michigan State puts their arms around you while you're on campus. I live in Atlanta, and the alumni network at Atlanta is unbelievable. And so you join this incredible family. If you would just take the first step, if you're thinking that Michigan State may not be the place for you because of where you come from or what someone else may have said, just take one step. And I promise you, you will find yourself at the university. You'll find a group that you identify with. You'll find a group that you didn't think you identified with. Michigan State is very integral to who I am professionally. Personally, my relationships began here on campus when I was a freshman at Yakeley Hall. My closest friends are the ones I made in the dorm. Still friends. Now we've been in weddings and babies, and we're almost in our 50s now, and we're still friends. If I have the opportunity to continue to give back to the university who gave so much for me, I will always do that.